In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps location in WordPress blocks editor. We'll start by grabbing a shareable Google Maps link, then place it neatly into the WordPress site editor so it displays right on your page. This approach is quick, reliable, and doesn't require any extra plugins. First, open Google Maps in your browser. In the search bar, type the name or address of the place you want to feature. When the results appear, click the correct listing to open its details panel. If you see basic info like opening hours or a brief description, that means you're on the place's full details view, which is exactly where we want to be. Now look for the Share button. It's typically an icon with an arrow. Click Share, then choose Copy Link. That puts a clean, public URL on your clipboard. A quick tip: before you copy, make sure the place pin and zoom level look the way you want. The share link will respect that context. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard and open the site editor or the page you want to edit in the block editor. Click where you'd like the map to appear. Add a new block using the plus button and search for Embed. Select the Embed block, then paste the Google Maps link you just copied. Press Enter. In most cases, WordPress will generate a live, interactive preview of the map right away. If it doesn't preview immediately, give it a moment, or click the Convert Apply button that appears in the block toolbar. Once the map is in place, you can refine the presentation. If you're placing it inside a section, select that section or group block and adjust the background to provide contrast, like a subtle light shade, so the map stands out. Add a short heading above the map, such as Find Us, and select the text to center it using the alignment control in the toolbar. Centering helps the map and heading feel balanced on the page. You can also tweak spacing by selecting the parent container and adjusting padding so the map doesn't feel cramped against other content. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right to store your changes. Then choose Launch or Publish so visitors can see the update